Hello again everyone and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It was a wet Thursday over the eastern parts of the country with showers and thunderstorms across much of the region, but our satellite imagery clearly shows that a drying trend is starting to take place as things are clearing out. This pattern is set to continue as we head into Friday morning. It should be a mostly dry start to the day over the country, although there could be a few drops of rain at first for the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape. This is being caused by a high pressure ridging behind the cold front, pushing in moisture along the coastline, and that pushes up the east coast during the course of the day and even further northwards towards evening, reaching parts of the Mpumalanga escarpment on Friday night. Dry over the central parts of the country for your Friday, and we are keeping an eye on an approaching system that's moving in from the Atlantic Ocean. Your city forecast shows dry weather expected for Friday in the Northern Cape. It's going to be a cold morning for the southern high ground, but hot for the northern areas in the afternoon, where Uppington reaches 32 degrees. Cloud will be thickening during the course of the afternoon over the Western Cape, but for now there won't be any rain over the province, and most areas will be fairly warm with temperatures in the mid-20s. It will be mild on the other hand for some areas along the south coast, and Port Elizabeth, as we saw earlier, there could also be some light rain in the morning in your area. That rain will start making its way up the Wild Coast during the course of the afternoon, but inland over the Eastern Cape it's going to be mostly sunny and quite cool, and it will also be a chilly morning for much of this province. KwaZulu-Natal can expect a combination of thunderstorms inland as well as rain towards the coastline. Much of that rain will only start settling in towards evening over the province. And for Mpumalanga, some places remain dry, including eMalahleni, Secunda and Standerton. But as you head eastwards, there could be a few isolated thunder showers. Similar conditions for the eastern parts of Limpopo. It's still going to be a hot day for this province, especially for the western bushveld, where Lephalale and Thabazimbi climb into the mid-30s. No rain in the forecast for the northwest, with mostly clear skies expected for the province, and we won't have any rain over the Free State either, and it's going to be a cool morning for some areas, Bethlehem and Zastron starting off with a minimum temperature of 12 degrees. And finally for Gauteng, a lovely autumn afternoon expected for the province with temperatures in the high 20s and low 30s with partly cloudy skies, but for now it is going to be a dry day. Winds will be light on Friday for much of the country, but for Durban and Richards Bay, a moderate to fresh southerly flow is expected in your area. Saturday brings a few thunder showers to the Highveld, as well as a few showers to the far western parts of the country with that approaching system, but that area will be clearer on Sunday, Cape Town reaching a lovely 26 degrees in the afternoon, and there'll be isolated thunder showers across the central and eastern parts of South Africa.